D365 F&O Fixed Asset Acquisition, 8 methods explained for MB310. If fixed asset acquisition in D365 feels confusing, that's not your fault. Microsoft explains it badly. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you all 8 ways to acquire fixed assets in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, exactly when to use each, and what MB310 actually tests versus what it ignores. After this video, fixed asset questions should be automatic for you. Core concept: the point of no return. Most candidates confuse creation, receipt, and acquisition. Let's kill that confusion now. In Dynamics 365, owning an asset isn't physical, it's financial. You can receive the item, you can even use it, but it is not a fixed asset until it is capitalized. Remember this clearly. Acquisition happens only at capitalization, not at creation, not at receipt. Until status WITs are acquired, nothing counts. No depreciation, no reporting, no balance sheet impact. Bottom line, if the asset never reaches asset status WITs are acquired, it does not exist financially. Period. Every method you'll see now exists for one reason only: to reach that status.
Method 1. Purchase requisition. PO. Invoice. Fixed asset. This is the cleanest and most controlled method. The flow, requisition approved. PO, created product receipt, creates the asset number. Invoice acquires the asset. Why MB? 310 loves this. Strong audit trail, clear segregation of duties, exam line to remember. Asset is created at receipt, acquired at invoice. Method 2, PO, invoice, fixed asset. Same logic as method 1, just less control. No requisition asset setup happens directly on the PO line. Acquisition still happens at invoice exam reality. If the requisition is missing but a PO exists, this method is valid. Method 3PO invoice, fixed asset. This is the I forgot to set it up earlier method. Asset details added only at invoice stage. The system allows it. Best practice? No. Exam answer? Yes. Remember, Microsoft tests system capability, not common sense. Method 4, non-PO, invoice journal, fixed asset, no procurement, no inventory, just accounting. You must create the asset manually, post an invoice journal, offset account type, PO, fixed asset, used for, adjustments, one-off purchases, high risk, low control, still allowed.
Method 5, inventory. Fixed asset exam trap. This is where most candidates fail. Item sits in inventory first, later converted into a fixed asset. Critical rule: item model group must not be weighted average. If you see weighted average in the exam question, stop. That option is wrong.
Method 6, fixed asset acquisition proposal used for mass acquisition. When assets already exist, costs are predefined, you want acquisition journals generated automatically. Think office furniture, bulk IT rollouts. Method 7, fixed asset journal, fully manual. Asset exists, first fixed asset journal, posted to acquire it. Truth, exam view, simple real life, dangerous. This bypasses procurement controls, so use it as a last resort. Method 8, project 8, fixed asset, project elimination. This is for capital projects. Costs collected on a project converted into a fixed asset using elimination MB310 wording trap. Capitalize project costs into a fixed asset. Correct answer? Project elimination.
The MB310 mindset. Stop memorizing steps. Start classifying intent. Ask one question only: procurement involved? PO-based acquisition coming from inventory? Inventory to fixed asset accounting only? Journal built internally? Project elimination. That's it. Everything else is noise.
If this cleared the fog around fixed asset acquisition, you're already ahead of most MB-310 candidates. Subscribe to Zeeshan Hawk Reviews for real D365 explanations, no fluff exam prep, and consultant-level thinking.